Item 300. Asphalts, oils, and emulsions. 1. Description. Provide asphalt cements, cutback and emulsified asphalts, performance-graded asphalt binders, and other miscellaneous asphalt materials as specified on the plans. 2. Materials. Provide asphalt materials that meet the stated requirements when tested in accordance with the referenced department, TxDOT, and ASTM test methods. Use asphalt containing recycled materials only if the recycled components meet the requirements of Article 6.9, Recycled Materials. Provide asphalt materials that have been pre-approved for use by the Construction Division in accordance with Text 545C. Acronyms used in this item are defined in Table 1. Table 1. Acronyms. Acronym definition. Test procedure designations. Text department. T or R TxDOT. DASTM. Polymer modifier designations. P polymer modified. SBR or L styrene butadiene rubber, latex. SBS styrene block copolymer. TR tire rubber, from ambient temperature grinding of truck and passenger tires. AC asphalt cement. AE asphalt emulsion. AEP asphalt emulsion prime. AR asphalt rubber. C cationic. EAPNT emulsified asphalt prime and tack. H suffix harder residue, lower penetration. HF high float. MC medium curing. MS medium setting. PCE prime, cure, and erosion control. PG performance grade. RC rapid curing. RS rapid setting. S suffix stockpile usage. SCM special cutback material. SS low setting. 2.1 Asphalt cement. Provide asphalt cement that is homogeneous, water-free, and non-foaming when heated to 347 degrees Fahrenheit, and meets the requirements in Table 2. Table 2. Asphalt cement. See table in specifications. 1. If AC 0.6 or AC 1.5 ductility at 77 degrees Fahrenheit is less than 100 centimeters, material is acceptable if ductility at 60 degrees Fahrenheit is more than 100 centimeters. 2.2 Polymer modified asphalt cement. Provide polymer modified asphalt cement that is smooth, homogeneous, and meets the requirements of Table 3. Supply samples of the base asphalt cement and polymer additives if requested. Table 3. Polymer modified asphalt cement. See table in specifications. 2.3 Cutback asphalt. Provide cutback asphalt that meets the requirements of Tables 4, 5, and 6 for the specified type and grade. Supply samples of the base asphalt cement and polymer additives if requested. Table 4. Rapid curing cutback asphalt. See table in specifications. Table 5. Medium curing cutback asphalt. See table in specifications. Table 6. Special use cutback asphalt. See table in specifications. 2.4 Emulsified asphalt. Provide emulsified asphalt that is homogeneous, does not separate after thorough mixing, and meets the requirements for the specified type and grade in Tables 7, 8, 9, and 10. Table 7. Emulsified asphalt. See table in specifications. 1 applies only when the engineer designates material for winter use. Table 8. Cationic emulsified asphalt. See table in specifications. Table 9. Polymer modified emulsified asphalt. See table in specifications. 1 exception to T59, bring the temperature on the lower thermometer slowly to 350 degrees Fahrenheit plus or minus 10 degree F. Maintain at this temperature for 20 minutes. Complete total distillation in 60 minutes, plus or minus 5 min, from the first application of heat. 2 HFRS2P must meet one of either the ductility or elastic recovery requirements. Table 10. Polymer modified cationic emulsified asphalt. See table in specifications. One exception to T59, bring the temperature on the lower thermometer slowly to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 0 degree F. Maintain at this temperature for 20 minutes. Complete total distillation in 60 minutes, plus or minus 5 min, from the first application of heat. 2 CRS2P must meet one of either the ductility or elastic recovery requirements. 3. With all pre-certification samples of CMS1P or CMS2P, submit certified test reports showing that the rejuvenating agent and latex meet the stated requirements. Submit samples of these raw materials if requested by the engineer. For preparation of latex films, use any substrate which produces a film of uniform cross-section. Apply latex using a drawdown tool that will deliver enough material to achieve desired residual thickness. Cure films for 14 days at 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity. 5. Cut samples for tensile strength determination using a crosshead speed of 20 inches per minute. 6. Specimen must remain intact after exposure and removal of excess rejuvenating agent. 2.5 Specialty emulsions. Provide specialty emulsion that is either asphalt-based or resin-based and meets the requirements of Table 11. Table 11. Specialty emulsions. See table in specifications. 1. Supply with each shipment of PCE. A copy of a lab report from an approved analytical lab, signed by a lab official, indicating the PCE formulation does not meet any characteristics of a Resource Conservation Recovery Act, RCRA, hazardous waste. A certification from the producer that the formulation supplied does not differ from the one tested and that no listed RCRA hazardous wastes or polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, have been mixed with the product, and a safety data sheet. 2. Exception to T59, in dilution, use 350 ml of distilled or deionized water and a 1000 ml beaker. 3. Use TxDOT, beginning at particle size analysis by laser diffraction, with distilled or deionized water as a medium and no dispersant, or use another approved method. 4. Exception to T59, leave sample in the oven until foaming ceases, then cool, and weigh. 5. PCE must meet either the kinematic viscosity requirement or the particle size requirement. 2.6 Recycling agent. Recycling agent and emulsified recycling agent must meet the requirements in Table 12. Additionally, recycling agent and residue from emulsified recycling agent, when added in the specified proportions to the recycled asphalt, must meet the properties specified on the plans. Table 12. Recycling agent and emulsified recycling agent. See table in specifications. 1. Exception to T59. Use 0.02 NaCl2 solution in place of water. 2. Exception to T59, maintain sample at 300 degrees Fahrenheit until foaming ceases, then cool, and weigh. 2.7 Crumb rubber modifier. Crumb rubber modifier, CRM, consists of automobile and truck tires processed by ambient temperature grinding. CRM must be free from contaminants including fabric, metal, and mineral and other non-rubber substances. Free-flowing, and non-foaming when added to hot asphalt binder. Ensure rubber gradation meets the requirements of the grades in Table 13 when tested in accordance with TxDOT, Part I, using a 50G sample. Table 13. CRM gradations. See table in specifications. 2.8 Crack sealer. Provide polymer modified asphalt emulsion crack sealer meeting the requirements of Table 14. Provide rubber asphalt crack sealer meeting the requirements of Table 15. Table 14. Polymer modified asphalt emulsion crack sealer. See table in specifications. Table 15. Rubber asphalt crack sealer. See table in specifications. 1. Provide certification that the min% virgin rubber was added. 2. Agitate the sealing compound with a 3/8 to 1/2 inch. 9.5 to 12.7 millimeters, wide, square end metal spatula to bring the material on the bottom of the cup to the surface, i.e., turn the material over, before passing the test flame over the cup. Start at one side of the thermometer, move around to the other, and then return to the starting point using 8 to 10 rapid circular strokes. Accomplish agitation in 3 to 4 seconds. Pass the test flame over the cup immediately after stirring is completed. 3. Exception to T49, substitute the cone specified in D217 for the penetration needle. 4. Allow no crack in the crack sealing materials or break in the bond between the sealer and the mortar blocks over 1/4 inches deep for any specimen after completion of the test. 2.9 Asphalt rubber binders. Provide asphalt rubber, AR, binders that are mixtures of asphalt binder and CRM, which have been reacted at elevated temperatures. Provide AR binders meeting D6114 and containing a minimum of 15% CRM by weight. Provide types I or II, containing CRM grade C, for use in hot mixed aggregate mixtures. Provide types 2 or 3, containing CRM grade B, for use in surface treatment binder. Ensure binder properties meet the requirements of Table 16. Table 16. AR binders. See table in specifications. 2.10 Performance graded binders. Provide PG binders that are smooth and homogeneous, show no separation when tested in accordance with TEX 540C, and meet the requirements of Table 17. Separation testing is not required if a modifier is introduced separately at the mix plant either by injection in the asphalt line or mixer. The binder is blended on site in continuously agitated tanks, or binder acceptance is based on field samples taken from an inline sampling port at the hot mix plant after the addition of modifiers. Table 17. Performance graded binders. See table in specifications. 1. Pavement temperatures are estimated from air temperatures using an algorithm contained in a department-supplied computer program, may be provided by the department, or by following the procedures outlined in OSHTO MP2 and PP28. 2. This requirement may be waived at the department's discretion if the supplier warrants that the asphalt binder can be adequately pumped, mixed, and compacted at temperatures that meet all applicable safety, environmental, and constructability requirements. At test temperatures where the binder is a Newtonian fluid, any suitable standard means of viscosity measurement may be used, including capillary, T201 or T202, or rotational viscometry, T316. 3. Viscosity at 135 degrees Celsius is an indicator of mixing and compaction temperatures that can be expected in the lab and field. High values may indicate high mixing and compaction temperatures. Additionally, significant variation can occur from batch to batch. Contractors should be aware that variation could significantly impact their mixing and compaction operations. Contractors are therefore responsible for addressing any constructability issues that may arise. 4. For quality control of unmodified asphalt binder production, measurement of the viscosity of the original asphalt binder may be substituted for dynamic shear measurements of G*/sin, at test temperatures where the asphalt is a Newtonian fluid. Any suitable standard means of viscosity measurement may be used, including capillary, T201 or T202, or rotational viscometry, T316. 5. Silicone beam molds, as described in OSHTO TP193, are acceptable for use. 6. If creep stiffness is below 300 MPa, direct tension test is not required. If creep stiffness is between 300 and 600 MPa, the direct tension failure strain requirement can be used instead of the creep stiffness requirement. The M value requirement must be satisfied in both cases. 7. Maximum values for unaged and RTFOH dynamic shear apply only to materials used as substitute binders, as described in specification items 340, dense graded hot mix asphalt, small quantity, 341, dense graded hot mix asphalt, and 344, super pave mixtures. 3. Equipment. Provide all equipment necessary to transport, store, sample, heat, apply, and incorporate asphalts, oils, and emulsions. 4. Construction. Typical material use. Use materials shown in Table 18, unless otherwise determined by the engineer. Table 18. Typical material use. See table in specifications. 4.1 Storage and application temperatures. Use storage and application temperatures in accordance with Table 19. Store and apply materials at the lowest temperature yielding satisfactory results. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for any agitation requirements in storage. Manufacturer's instructions regarding recommended application and storage temperatures supersede those of Table 19. Table 19. Storage and application temperatures. See table in specifications. 5. Measurement and payment. The work performed, materials furnished, equipment, labor, tools, and incidentals will not be measured or paid for directly but is subsidiary or is included in payment for other pertinent items.